Hi children, good morning. Today I am going to start a new lesson. The name of lesson is People Who Help Us. Many people work in different places. Those people work in our neighborhood for us in different ways. Children, now imagine the situation that those people won't help us. What would happen? Those people won't be helped. Would our life will be easy? No, our life would not be easy at all. Our life will be easy and simple because of these people. Keep always helping us. So let us important to remember that we must be kind and polite with those people. The people who help us, we must always kind and thank you for them. Now let us learn about some of people who help in our neighborhood. Okay? Doctor. Now when we go to the hospital, we go and meet the doctor. We have to tell to doctor about our pain or about our problem or about our diseases. Why do we do that? We do that because the doctor treats sick people and he gives us medicine. He gives us injection. He makes us better. He treats the sick people. Okay? Then the teacher. Teacher is a person who helps students to acquire knowledge. Teacher helps children to learn. Teacher provide the power of education. A teacher teaches in the classroom. Teacher builds future of student. So teacher is very important for us. Okay. Next, the policeman. Okay. Next, policeman. Children, police officers are often one of the first people to get to a place where people are sick or injured, such as a car accident or a fire, so that policemen also help for us. They keep us safe from robbers or thieves. Okay. Then nurse. Nurse is also very important for us. Okay, children. Nurse is also very important for us. Nurse looks after a sick people. Okay. Nurse look after a sick person. When we visit the hospital, the doctor treats you. Yeah, treats you, right? But what about the nurse? There is another person in the hospital. She is known as a nurse. So what does the nurse do? Yes, the nurse looks after the sick people and the doctor treat the sick people. However, the nurse look after the sick people. She gives them food, medicine on right time. Then firefighter. Firefighters' main task is to put out the fire and save people. So that firefighter also very important for us. Then postman. Children, now you have studied that you want to send letters. You want to send a letters. You go to the post office. Now in the post office we have a postman. Postman works in the post office. What does he do? Yes, he delivers the letters and parcels. Like for example, if you want to send a letter to your grandmother, you go to the post office and send a letter. Now, the area is which your grandmother lives, there must be a post office in that area. So, the postman of that post office goes and delivers the letter to your grandmother. So, his works to deliver the letters and parcels that have been sent. Then, watchman. Watchman. Now, children, it is very important to us to live safely. Right, for our safety, we have a watchman. What does the watchman do, children? A watchman guards our house. When you are go to the school, also near the gate, we have a watchman, right? We greet our watchman in the morning, right? So what does he do? He guards the school. Similarly, in your neighborhood or society, you might be having watchman. So what is the watchman doing? Watchman is guarding our house from thieves and from all the dangerous. Then milkman. Now, every day in the morning, for some of you, it may be evening at you, those steps you have the milkman who comes and brings milk along with him. Right? The person who brings milk is called as a milkman. Okay? Then driver. Driver also very important for us children. Okay? Drivers manage the task of picking up of us from the stops and dropping us off at school. Driver hold a very important responsibility of safe transport of the students. Then gardener. Gardener is also very important for us children. Okay, your garden has children. Now imagine that your garden has different kinds of flowers and plants. Now it is important that we must take care of the plant. Yes, no children. So who doesn't a gardener doesn't. In garden we have gardeners to look after plants. They water the plant on time and they look after the plant in a proper way. Okay, so gardener is also very important for us children. Then greengrocer. Greengrocer sells vegetables. Okay, children. Greengrocer sells vegetables. Now, when you go to the market, you buy vegetables and fruits. Yes, not children. Whom do you buy it from? Yes, you buy it from a greengrocer. The person who sells vegetables and fruits is called as greengrocer. I am sure you all have seen grocer when you have visited the market. Then tailor. Now if you want to stitch a new frock by yourself, or if you want to stitch a new pair of dress for you or a new shirt for you, then whom do you go to meet? Yes, we go to meet the tailor. Now what does the tailor do? The tailor stitches our clothes. So whenever you want to stitch a new dress, we have to go to tailor. Next, maid servant. Maid servant does household work. Then carpenter. Now children, in your house you have different types of furnitures. Furnitures meaning items like chair, table, sofa, bed. So now all of these we need someone. You must be comfortably sitting on chair or sofa. But do you know who has made these? Yes, the chairs, the table and the sofa or the bed. Different furnitures are made by carpenter. So the carpenter makes furnitures. Then sweeper. Children, what about the roads and street of your area? How they are? Yes, they are they clean or are they dirty? In most of cases, we should say that they are clean. It is clean because of whom? It is clean because of the people who clean the roads and clean the streets. Do you know what they are called? They are known as a sweeper. So our sweeper cleans the roads and streets. Then delivery persons. He delivers orders like food and groceries. Then barber. Barber cuts the hair. He is also very important for us. Then cobbler. Children, you all have different types of shoes, slippers or sandals in your house, right? Now what will you do if one of the sandal breaks or maybe something in shoes damages? What will you do, children? Yes, you need to repair it, right? So to whom will you take your broken shoes or sandals? It will be taken to the cobbler. So who is cobbler? The person who mends, means the person who repairs our broken sandals or shoes is called as a cobbler. Thank you, children. Bye.